Okay, then last question. Look at the question summation with list comprehension file. Make a copy of this file as an answer summation with list comprehension file. Okay, and write a function that will filter numbers according to the given input list and number. Your function will consist of a one-line list comprehension so that given filtered and only number divisible by given input number are in the new list. If your written code is correct, a search should not give you an error. Okay, let's come here, and this is our question summation. Okay, let's again save as this one so that we have this. Okay, a backup. Okay, you should do this one, and here if I run this code, I should get an error since I'm doing nothing. Here, for example, this divisible by 3, we have should have 35. Here, how can I get this one? And this is the list comprehension, and here what are we doing? For example, num in okay, let's look at this list comprehension. Even I don't fully, yeah, this is the first example, for example. Okay, and let me write this one for num in num in a given list. Given list, I don't need a, and here this should be new list. Okay, but here I'm only repeating this given list. I need to use this number division, and if we look at it here, we have this, okay, filter items with optional if, and this, okay, instead of division by 3, okay, this number should be divisible by this number 1, and should be of course here 0. And here I have this new list, and if I run my code, every expression will work. Let's debug and see these results. Okay, and here I am coming in the first one. Okay, I have this given list. This is a list of number from 1 to, okay, 99, 100 numbers. And when I run this one, okay, here, okay, it is going to these numbers. There is a for loop here, but here, okay, if you go this part, this new list is created by 0, 3, 6, 9, only divisible by 3 numbers. Then I am returning this, and this is the numbers. Length is 34, 34, sum is correct. Again, I am creating this new list, and this new list only divisible by 7, and here the value is correct and sum is also correct. And then this is the division. What are we doing? We have this for num in given list. This is the first part, and I pasted from our notes. Okay, also the reference books has a similar example, and we can also filter this one, and the filtering is also given here, and this is the solution for the question 10 actually. And this lab this way is finished.